Good morning student, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. In last video we had started simple interest where we understood how to find simple interest when we have principal, rate and time. Today we are going to discuss how to find principal, rate and time when we have simple interest. Okay, so formula we know very well, simple interest equal to principal into rate into time by 100. Okay, this we can write like this: simple interest by 1 equal to principal into rate into time by 100. Okay, when we divide any number by 1 we'll get number itself. Okay, so this we can write like this. Okay, now we have to do the cross multiplication. Okay, so let's do this. Simple interest into 100, here you can see, equal to principal into rate into time into 1 into 1, then we'll get principal into rate into time. Okay, now using this only we have to find the formula for principal, rate and time. Okay, suppose you have to find out the formula for principal, then you have to divide simple interest into 100 by rate into time. Okay, same way, suppose you have to find out the formula for rate, then you have to divide simple interest into 100 by principal into time. Okay, the same way, when you have to find the formula for time, then you have to divide simple interest into 100 by principal into rate, principal into rate. So now let's see the formula. So principal equal to simple interest into 100 by rate into time, rate into time. Okay, same way, rate equal to simple interest into 100 by principal into time. Okay, same way, time equal to simple interest into 100 by rate into principal, by rate into principal. Understood? So this is the formula to find principal, rate and time. This you have to learn. Okay, it's very easy. Simple interest into 100, here also you can see, here also you can see, here also you can see. Okay, now suppose you are going to find principal, then apart from principal we have rate and time only, so rate and time you have to write in denominator place. Same way, suppose you are going to find rate, then apart from rate we have principal and time, so that you have to write in denominator place. Same way for time, rate and principal you have to write in denominator place. So it's very easy to learn. Okay, now let me solve some example. So example number 1, the simple interest on rupees 2000 for certain period of time. The simple interest on rupees 2000 for certain period of time at the rate of 10% per annum is 600. Okay, so this 600 is here simple interest. Okay, and principal is given here 2000. Okay, and rate is given here, 10%. Okay, so the simple interest on rupees 2000 for a certain period of time at the rate of 10% per annum is 600. So find time. Now we have to find time. Okay, so what is the formula to find time? So here we have to find time. Now you know very well what is the formula to find time. First, here we have given principal, rate and simple interest. Then formula for time equal to simple interest into 100 by rate into principal. Okay, rate into principal. Now use the value here. So simple interest is given 600 into 100 by rate is given 10% into principal. Principal is given 2000. Now reduce the term. 20 cancel by these 20. 10 cancel by this. Now 10 cancel by this. Okay, now 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. Okay, that means time here we got 3 year. Okay, time we got here 3 year. This is the answer of this question. Okay, now example number 2, the simple interest on rupees 5,000 for 3 years is rupees 750. The simple interest on rupees 5,000, that means this is principal, for 3 years, this is time, is rupees 750. This is simple interest. Find the rate. So here we have to find out rate. Okay, so we have principal, time and simple interest. We have to find out rate. So formula you know very well. Rate equal to simple interest into 100 by principal into time. Principal into time. Okay, now use the value here. 750 SI is given into 100 by principal is given 5,000 into 3. Okay, now reduce the term. 2 0 cancel by these 2 0. Now 1 0 cancel by this 0. Okay, now 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, 2 left, 2 and 5 25, 5 5 ja 25. Okay, now 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15. Okay, so rate here we got 5%. Okay, rate here we got 5%. This is the answer of this question. Understood? Now example number 3, the simple interest on a certain sum of money. On a certain sum of money, that money is not given here. Okay, that means principal is not given here. At 12% per annum for 3 years is rupees 1800. Rupees 1800. Find the principal. Once again, the simple interest on a certain sum of money at 12% per annum. This is rate here. For 3 year time is rupees 1800. That means this is simple interest. Okay, now we have to find out here principal. Okay, so we have rate, time and simple interest. Now you know the formula to find principal. Simple interest into 100 by rate into time, by rate into time. Now use the value. So P equal to 1800. Here you can see simple interest is given into 100 by rate is given 12% and time is given 3. Okay, now reduce the term. 3 1 ja 3, 3 6 ja 18 and 2 0. Okay, now 12 1 ja 12, 12 5 ja 60 and 1 0. Okay, now you can see 50 here we have and here we have 100. When you multiply, you'll get here 5,000. So this is the answer of this question. Okay, I hope you understood how to find out principal, rate and time when you have simple interest. Okay, so question number 1 and 2 from the exercise you have to solve. If you face any problem, you can call me anytime. Okay, I hope everything is clear to you. Thank you.